بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم اقترب للناس حسابهم وهم في غفلة معرضون ما يأتيهم من ذكر من ربهم محدث إلا استمعوه وهم يلعبون لاهية قلوبهم وأسروا النجوى الذين ظلموا هل هذا إلا بشر مثلكم أفتأتون السحر وأنتم تبصرون.
In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Closer and closer to mankind comes their reckoning, yet they turn away in heedlessness. There does not come to them a reminder from their Lord as a recent revelation, but they listen to it while they play. With their hearts occupied with evil things, those who do wrong conceal their private counsels, saying, "Is this Muhammad anything more than a human being like you? Will you submit to magic while you see it?"
قال ربي يعلم القول في السماء والأرض وهو السميع العليم بل قالوا أضغاث أحلام بل افتراه بل هو شاعر فليأتنا بآية كما أرسل الأولون.
Say, my Lord knows every word spoken in the heavens and on earth, and He is the All-Hearer, the All-Knower. No, they say, these revelations of the Quran which are inspired to Muhammad are but mixed-up false dreams. No, he has invented it. No, he is a poet. Let him then bring us a sign as a proof, just as the prophets that were sent before came with signs.
ما آمنت قبلهم من قرية أهلكناها أفهم يؤمنون وما أرسلنا قبلك إلا رجالا نوحي إليهم فاسألوا أهل الذكر إن كنتم لا تعلمون وما جعلناهم جسدا لا يأكلون الطعام وما كانوا خالدين ثم صدقناهم الوعد فأنجيناهم ومن نشاء وأهلكنا المسرفين.
Not one of the towns of those which we destroyed believed before them, though we sent them signs. Will they then believe? And we did not send before you, O Muhammad, any but men whom we inspired. So ask the people of the reminder if you do not know. And we did not create the messengers with bodies that did not eat food, nor were they immortals. Then we fulfilled to them the promise, and we saved them and those whom we willed. But we destroyed the extravagant in oppression, polytheism, and sin.
لقد أنزلنا إليكم كتابا فيه ذكركم أفلا تعقلون وكم قصمنا من قرية كانت ظالمة وأنشأنا بعدها قوما آخرين فلما أحسوا بأسنا إذا هم منها يركضون لا تركضوا وارجعوا إلى ما أترفتم فيه ومساكنكم لعلكم تسألون.
Indeed, we have sent down for you, O mankind, a book, this Quran, in which there is a reminder. Will you not then understand? How many a nation that were wrongdoers have we destroyed, and then raised up after them another people? Then, when they saw our torment coming, they tried to flee from it. Do not flee, but return to where you lived a luxurious life, and to your homes, in order that you may be questioned.
قالوا يا ويلنا إنا كنا ظالمين فما زالت تلك دعواهم حتى جعلناهم حصيدا خامدين.
They cried, "Woe to us! Certainly we have been polytheists, wrongdoers, and disbelievers in the oneness of Allah." And that cry of theirs did not stop till we made them like a field that is reaped and barren.
وما خلقنا السماء والأرض وما بينهما لاعبين لو أردنا أن نتخذ لهوا لاتخذناه من لدنا إن كنا فاعلين بل نقذف بالحق على الباطل فيدمغه فإذا هو زاهق ولكم الويل مما تصفون.
We did not create the heavens and the earth, and all that is between them for mere amusement. Had we intended to take a pastime, we could surely have taken it from us, if we were going to do that. No, we sent down the truth, this Quran, against the falsehood of disbelief. So it destroys it, and behold, falsehood is vanished. And woe to you for that lie which you ascribe against Allah by uttering that Allah has a wife and a son.
وله من في السماوات والأرض ومن عنده لا يستكبرون عن عبادته ولا يستحسرون يسبحون الليل والنهار لا يفترون أم اتخذوا آلهة من الأرض هم ينشرون لو كان فيهما آلهة إلا الله لفسدتا فسبحان الله رب العرش عما يصفون.
To him belongs whosoever is in the heavens and on earth. And those who are near him, the angels, are not too proud to worship him, nor are they weary of his worship. The angels glorify his praises night and day, and they never slacken in doing so. Or have they taken for worship gods from the earth who raise the dead? Had there been in the heavens and the earth gods besides Allah, then indeed both would have been ruined. Glorified be Allah, the Lord of the throne. High is he above what they attribute to him.
لا يسأل عما يفعل وهم يسألون أم اتخذوا من دونه آلهة قل هاتوا برهانكم هذا ذكر من معي وذكر من قبلي بل أكثرهم لا يعلمون الحق فهم معرضون.
He cannot be questioned as to what he does while they will be questioned. Or have they taken for worship other gods besides him? Say, bring your proof. This Quran is the reminder for those with me and the reminder for those before me. But most of them do not know the truth. They are averse.
وما أرسلنا من قبلك من رسول إلا نوحي إليه أنه لا إله إلا أنا فاعبدون.
And we did not send any messenger before you, O Muhammad, but we inspired him, saying, None has the right to be worshipped but I, Allah, so worship me alone and no one else.
وقالوا اتخذ الرحمن ولدا سبحانه بل عباد مكرمون لا يسبقونه بالقول وهم بأمره يعملون يعلم ما بين أيديهم وما خلفهم ولا يشفعون إلا لمن ارتضى وهم من خشيته مشفقون.
And they say, The most gracious Allah has begotten a son or children. Glory be to him. Those whom they call children of Allah, such as the angels, Jesus, son of Mary, and Ezra, are but honored slaves. They do not speak until he has spoken, and they act on his command. He knows what is before them and what is behind them, and they cannot intercede except for him with whom he is pleased. And they stand in awe for fear of him.
ومن يقل منهم إني إله من دونه فذلك نجزيه جهنم كذلك نجزي الظالمين.
And if any of them should say, Indeed, I am a god besides Allah, such a one we would recompense with hell. Thus we recompense the polytheists and wrongdoers.
أولم ير الذين كفروا أن السماوات والأرض كانتا رتقا ففتقناهما وجعلنا من الماء كل شيء حي أفلا يؤمنون وجعلنا في الأرض رواسي أن تميد بهم وجعلنا فيها فجاجا سبلا لعلهم يهتدون وجعلنا السماء سقفا محفوظا وهم عن آياتها معرضون.
Have not those who disbelieve known that the heavens and the earth were joined together as one united piece? Then we clove them asunder, and we have made from water every living thing. Will they not then believe? And we have placed on the earth firm mountains, lest it should shake with them, and we placed in it broad highways for them to pass through, that they may be guided. And we made the heaven a roof, safe and well guarded. Yet they turn away from its signs.
وهو الذي خلق الليل والنهار والشمس والقمر كل في فلك يسبحون وما جعلنا لبشر من قبلك الخلد أفإن مت فهم الخالدون كل نفس ذائقة الموت ونبلوكم بالشر والخير فتنة وإلينا ترجعون.
And he it is who has created the night and the day, and the sun and the moon, each floating in an orbit. And we did not grant to any human being immortality before you, O Muhammad. Then, if you die, would they live forever? Everyone is going to taste death, and we shall make a trial of you with evil and with good, and to us you will be returned.
وَإِذَا رَآكَ الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا إِن يَتَّخِذُونَكَ إِلَّا هُزُوًا أَهَذَا الَّذِي يَذْكُرُ آلِهَتَكُمْ وَهُمْ بِذِكْرِ الرَّحْمَنِ هُمْ كَافِرُونَ.
And when those who disbelieve in the oneness of Allah see you, O Muhammad, they ridicule you, saying, "Is this the one who talks badly about your gods?" While they disbelieve at the mention of the most gracious Allah.
خُلِقَ الْإِنسَانُ مِنْ عَجَلٍ سَأُرِيكُمْ آيَاتِي فَلَا تَسْتَعْجِلُونَ وَيَقُولُونَ مَتَى هَذَا الْوَعْدُ إِن كُنتُمْ صَادِقِينَ.
Man is hasty by nature. I will show you my proofs, signs, and revelations, so do not ask me to hasten them. And they say, when will this promise come to pass, if you are truthful?
لو يعلم الذين كفروا حين لا يكفون عن وجوههم النار ولا عن ظهورهم ولا هم ينصرون بل تأتيهم بغتة فتبهتهم فلا يستطيعون ردها ولا هم ينظرون ولقد استهزئ برسل من قبلك فحاق بالذين سخروا منهم ما كانوا به يستهزئون.
If only those who disbelieve knew the time when they will not be able to ward off the fire from their faces, nor from their backs, and they will not be helped. No, the fire and the day of resurrection will come upon them all of a sudden, and will perplex them, and they will have no power to avert it, nor will they receive respite. Indeed, many messengers were mocked before you, O Muhammad, but the scoffers were surrounded by that, which they used to mock.
قل من يكلؤكم بالليل والنهار من الرحمن بل هم عن ذكر ربهم معرضون أم لهم آلهة تمنعهم من دوننا لا يستطيعون نصر أنفسهم ولا هم إنا يصحبون.
Say, who can guard and protect you in the night or in the day from the punishment of the most gracious Allah? No, but they turn away from the remembrance of their Lord. Or do they have gods who can guard them from us? They have no power to help themselves, nor can they be protected from our torment.
بل متعنا هؤلاء وآباءهم حتى طال عليهم العمر أفلا يرون أنا نأتي الأرض ننقصها من أطرافها أفهم الغالبون.
No, we gave the luxuries of this life to these men and their fathers until the period grew long for them. Do they not see that we gradually reduce the land in their control at its outlying borders? It is they, then, who will be overcome.
قل إنما أنذركم بالوحي ولا يسمع الصم الدعاء إذا ما ينذرون ولئن مستهم نفحة من عذاب ربك ليقولن يا ويلنا إنا كنا ظالمين.
Say, O Muhammad, I warn you only by the revelation from Allah, but the deaf who follow others blindly will not hear the call, even when they are warned that one should follow only the Quran and the legal ways of the Prophet Muhammad. And if a minor calamity of the torment of your Lord touches them, they will surely cry, Woe to us! Indeed, we have been polytheists and wrongdoers.
ونضع الموازين القسط ليوم القيامة فلا تظلم نفس شيئا وإن كان مثقال حبة من خردل أتينا بها وكفى بنا حاسبين. ولقد آتينا موسى وهارون الفرقان وضياء وذكرا للمتقين الذين يخشون ربهم بالغيب وهم من الساعة مشفقون.
And we shall set our balances of justice on the day of resurrection. Then none will be dealt with unjustly in any regard. And even if there be the weight of a mustard seed, we will bring it forth and take account of it. And we are sufficient as reckoners. And indeed, we granted to Moses and Aaron the criterion of right and wrong, and a shining light, and a reminder for the pious. Those who fear their Lord without seeing him, while they are afraid of the hour.
وهذا ذكر مبارك أنزلناه أفأنتم له منكرون ولقد آتينا إبراهيم رشده من قبل وكنا به عالمين.
And this is a blessed reminder, this Quran, which we have sent down. Will you then dare to deny it? And indeed, we bestowed before on Abraham his portion of guidance, and we were well acquainted with him as to his belief in the oneness of Allah.
إذ قال لأبيه وقومه ما هذه التماثيل التي أنتم لها عاكفون قالوا وجدنا آباءنا لها عابدين قال لقد كنتم أنتم وآباؤكم في ضلال مبين قالوا أجئتنا بالحق أم أنت من اللاعبين قال بل ربكم رب السماوات والأرض الذي فطرهن وأنا على ذلكم من الشاهدين.
He said to his father and his people, What are these images to which you are devoted? They said, We found our fathers worshipping them. He said, Indeed, you and your fathers have been in manifest error. They said, Have you brought us the truth, or are you playing about? He said, No, your Lord is the Lord of the heavens and the earth, who created them, and of that I am one of the witnesses.
وتالله لأكيدن أصنامكم بعد أن تولوا مدبرين فجعلهم جذاذا إلا كبيرا لهم لعلهم إليه يرجعون قالوا من فعل هذا بآلهتنا إنه لمن الظالمين قالوا سمعنا فتى يذكرهم يقال له إبراهيم قالوا فأتوا به على أعين الناس لعلهم يشهدون.
By Allah, I shall plot a plan to destroy your idols after you have gone away and turned your backs. So he broke them to pieces, all except the biggest of them, that they might turn to it. They said, Who has done this to our gods? He must indeed be one of the wrongdoers. They said, We heard a young man talking against them, who is called Abraham. Then bring him before the eyes of the people, that they may testify.
قالوا أأنت فعلت هذا بآلهتنا يا إبراهيم قال بل فعله كبيرهم هذا فاسألوهم إن كانوا ينطقون فرجعوا إلى أنفسهم فقالوا إنكم أنتم الظالمون ثم نكسوا على رؤوسهم لقد علمت ما هؤلاء ينطقون.
They said, Are you the one who has done this to our gods, O Abraham? Abraham said, No, this one, the biggest of the idols, did it. Ask them if they can speak. So they turned to themselves and said, Indeed, you are the ones who have been transgressing. Yet they reverted to their old ideas and said, Indeed, you, O Abraham, know full well that these idols do not speak.
قال أفتعبدون من دون الله ما لا ينفعكم شيئا ولا يضركم أف لكم ولما تعبدون من دون الله أفلا تعقلون قالوا حرقوه وانصروا آلهتكم إن كنتم فاعلين قلنا يا نار كوني بردا وسلاما على إبراهيم وأرادوا به كيدا فجعلناهم الأخسرين ونجيناه ولوطا إلى الأرض التي باركنا فيها للعالمين.
Abraham said, Do you then worship besides Allah things that can neither profit you nor harm you? Woe upon you, and upon that which you worship besides Allah. Have you then no sense? They said, Burn him, and support your gods, if this is what you decide to do. Allah said, O fire, become coolness and safety for Abraham. And they wanted to harm him, but we made them the worst losers. And we rescued him and Lot to the land, which we have blessed for mankind and jinn.
ووهبنا له إسحاق ويعقوب نافلة وكلا جعلنا صالحين وجعلناهم أئمة يهدون بأمرنا وأوحينا إليهم فعل الخيرات وإقام الصلاة وإيتاء الزكاة وكانوا لنا عابدين.
And we bestowed upon him Isaac and a grandson Jacob. Each one we made righteous. And we made them leaders, guiding mankind by our command. And we inspired in them the doing of good deeds, performing prayer, and the giving of charity. And they worshipped us alone.
ولوطا آتيناه حكما وعلما ونجيناه من القرية التي كانت تعمل الخبائث إنهم كانوا قوم سوء فاسقين وأدخلناه في رحمتنا إنه من الصالحين.
And remember Lot. We gave him right judgment of the affairs and prophethood, and religious knowledge, and we saved him from the town who practiced evil, wicked, and filthy deeds. Indeed, they were a people given to evil, and were rebellious and disobedient to Allah. And we admitted him to our mercy. Truly, he was of the righteous.
ونوحا إذ نادى من قبل فاستجبنا له فنجيناه وأهله من الكرب العظيم ونصرناه من القوم الذين كذبوا بآياتنا إنهم كانوا قوم سوء فأغرقناهم أجمعين.
And remember Noah, when he cried to us in times gone by. We listened to his invocation and saved him and his family from great distress. We helped him against people who denied our proofs, signs, and revelations. Indeed, they were a people given to evil. So we drowned them all.
وداود وسليمان إذ يحكمان في الحرث إذ نفشت فيه غنم القوم وكنا لحكمهم شاهدين ففهمناها سليمان وكلا آتينا حكما وعلما وسخرنا مع داود الجبال يسبحن والطير وكنا فاعلين وعلمناه صنعة لبوس لكم لتحصنكم من بأسكم فهل أنتم شاكرون.
And remember David and Solomon, when they gave judgment in the case of the field in which the sheep of certain people had pastured at night, and we were witness to their judgment. And we caused Solomon to understand the case, and to each of them we gave right judgment of the affairs, prophethood, and knowledge. And we subjected the mountains and the birds to glorify our praises along with David. And it was we who were the doers of all these things. And we taught him the skill of making metal coats of mail for battles, to protect you in your fighting. Are you then grateful?
ولسليمان الريح عاصفة تجري بأمره إلى الأرض التي باركنا فيها وكنا بكل شيء عالمين ومن الشياطين من يغوصون له ويعملون عملا دون ذلك وكنا لهم حافظين.
And to Solomon we subjected the wind strongly raging, running by his command, towards the land which we had blessed. And of everything we are the all-knower. And of the devils from the jinn were some who dived for him to harvest the sea, and did other work besides that, and it was we who guarded them.
وأيوب إذ نادى ربه أني مسني الضر وأنت أرحم الراحمين فاستجبنا له فكشفنا ما به من ضر وآتيناه أهله ومثلهم معهم رحمة من عندنا وذكرى للعابدين.
And remember Job, when he cried to his Lord, Indeed, distress has seized me, and you are the most merciful of all those who show mercy. So we answered his call, and we removed the distress that was on him. And we restored his family to him that he had lost, and the like thereof along with them, as a mercy from ourselves, and a reminder for all who worship us.
وإسماعيل وإدريس وذا الكفل كل من الصابرين وأدخلناهم في رحمتنا إنهم من الصالحين وذا النون إذ ذهب مغاضبا فظن أن لن نقدر عليه فنادى في الظلمات أن لا إله إلا أنت سبحانك إني كنت من الظالمين فاستجبنا له ونجيناه من الغم وكذلك ننجي المؤمنين.
And remember Ishmael and Enoch and Isaiah, all were from among the patient ones. And we admitted them to our mercy. Indeed, they were of the righteous. And remember Jonah, when he went off in anger, and imagined that we shall not punish him. But he cried through the darkness, saying, None has the right to be worshipped but you, O Allah. Glorified and exalted are you above all the evil that they associate with you. Truly I have been of the wrongdoers. So we answered his call and delivered him from his distress. And thus we do deliver the believers, who believe in the oneness of Allah and abstain from evil and work righteousness.
وزكريا إذ نادى ربه رب لا تذرني فردا وأنت خير الوارثين فاستجبنا له ووهبنا له يحيى وأصلحنا له زوجه إنهم كانوا يسارعون في الخيرات ويدعوننا رغبا ورهبا وكانوا لنا خاشعين.
And remember Zechariah, when he cried to his Lord, O my Lord, do not leave me childless, for you are the best of the inheritors. So we answered his call, and we bestowed upon him John, and cured his wife to bear a child for him. Indeed, they used to hasten on to do good deeds, and they used to call on us with hope and fear, and used to humble themselves before us.
والتي أحصنت فرجها فنفخنا فيها من روحنا وجعلناها وابنها آية للعالمين إن هذه أمتكم أمة واحدة وأنا ربكم فاعبدون وتقطعوا أمرهم بينهم كل إلينا راجعون.
And remember she who guarded her chastity, Mary. We breathed into the sleeves of her garment through Gabriel, and we made her and her son Jesus a sign for mankind and jinn. Truly, this religion of yours is one religion, and I am your Lord. Therefore, worship me alone. But later generations disputed and cut off their unity with one another, and they shall all return to us.
فمن يعمل من الصالحات وهو مؤمن فلا كفران لسعيه وإنا له كاتبون وحرام على قرية أهلكناها أنهم لا يرجعون حتى إذا فتحت يأجوج ومأجوج وهم من كل حدب ينسلون واقترب الوعد الحق فإذا هي شاخصة أبصار الذين كفروا يا ويلنا قد كنا في غفلة من هذا بل كنا ظالمين إنكم وما تعبدون من دون الله حصب جهنم أنتم لها واردون لو كان هؤلاء آلهة ما وردوها وكل فيها خالدون لهم فيها زفير وهم فيها لا يسمعون.
And whoever does righteous good deeds while he is a believer in the oneness of Allah, his efforts will not be rejected. Indeed, we record it in his book of deeds. And a decree is laid on every town which we have destroyed, that they shall not return to this world again, nor repent to us, until when Gog and Magog are let loose from their barrier, and they swiftly swarm from every mound. And the true promise of the day of resurrection shall draw near. Then, when mankind is resurrected from their graves, you shall see the eyes of the disbelievers staring in horror. They will say, Woe to us! We were indeed heedless of this. No, but we were polytheists and wrongdoers. Certainly, you disbelievers and that which you are worshipping now besides Allah are but fuel for the hellfire. Surely you will enter it. Had these idols and false deities been gods, they would not have entered hell, and all of them will abide there. There they will breathe out with deep sighs, and roaring will be their portion, and there they will not hear.
إن الذين سبقت لهم منا الحسنى أولئك عنها مبعدون لا يسمعون حسيسها وهم فيما اشتهت أنفسهم خالدون لا يحزنهم الفزع الأكبر وتتلقاهم الملائكة هذا يومكم الذي كنتم توعدون.
Indeed, those for whom the good has proceeded from us, they will be removed far from hell. They shall not hear the slightest sound of it, while they abide in that which they themselves desire. The greatest terror on the day of resurrection will not grieve them, and the angels will meet them with the greeting, "This is your day which you were promised."
يوم نطوي السماء كطي السجل للكتب كما بدأنا أول خلق نعيده وعدا علينا إنا كنا فاعلين.
And remember the day when we shall roll up the heavens like a scroll rolled up for books. As we began the first creation, we shall repeat it. It is a promise binding upon us. Truly, we shall do it.
وَلَقَدْ كَتَبْنَا فِي الزَّبُورِ مِن بَعْدِ الذِّكْرِ أَنَّ الْأَرْضَ يَرِثُهَا عِبَادِيَ الصَّالِحُونَ إِنَّ فِي هَذَا لَبَلَاغًا لِقَوْمٍ عَابِدِينَ وَمَا أَرْسَلْنَاكَ إِلَّا رَحْمَةً لِلْعَالَمِينَ قُلْ إِنَّمَا يُوحَى إِلَيَّ أَنَّمَا إِلَٰهُكُمْ إِلَٰهٌ وَاحِدٌ فَهَلْ أَنتُم مسلمون؟
And indeed, we have written in the Psalms, after we have already written in the book of decrees that is in the heaven with Allah, that my righteous slaves shall inherit the land of paradise. Indeed, in this Quran, there is a plain message for people who worship Allah. And we have sent you, O Muhammad, as a mercy for mankind, jinn, and all that exists. Say, O Muhammad, it is revealed to me that your God is only one God, Allah. Will you then submit to His will?
فَإِن تَوَلَّوْا فَقُلْ آذَنْتُكُمْ عَلَى سَوَاءٍ وَإِنْ أَدْرِي أَقَرِيبٌ أَمْ بَعِيدٌ مَا تُوعَدُونَ إِنَّهُ يَعْلَمُ الْجَهْرَ مِنَ الْقَوْلِ وَيَعْلَمُ مَا تَكْتُمُونَ وَإِنْ أَدْرِي لَعَلَّهُ فِتْنَةٌ لَكُمْ وَمَتَاعٌ إِلَى حِينٍ قال رب احكم بالحق وربنا الرحمن المستعان على ما تصفون.
But if the disbelievers turn away from the belief in the oneness of Allah, say to them, O Muhammad, I have warned you sufficiently, and I do not know whether that which you are promised of the day of resurrection is near or far. Say, O Muhammad, indeed, Allah knows that which is spoken aloud openly, and that which you conceal. And I do not know. Perhaps it may be a trial for you, and an enjoyment for a while. Say, My Lord, you judge in truth. Our Lord is the most gracious, whose help is to be sought against that which you attribute to Allah.
صدق الله العلي العظيم.